Alright, what's up everybody? So I just wanted to do an unboxing. And actually, first off, I want to say thank you to Titan CAPSPRAY for sending me the new CAPSPRAY X80, you guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy and take it out. First off, Titan Maxum II. You guys, dream. Love this gun, my favorite gun, my go-to gun. And it comes with the compressor and the turbine. And one of the things about the new X80, which I liked when I first was reading about it, was how light the weight is. I mean, literally most compressors, you're lugging up and down. Look at this. I think it's like 9 pounds total. Easy to carry. A lot of times, you know, us reglazers, going up to a second story bathtub, you gotta lug it up. So convenient, so nice. It's got compartments for your needle sets. You got a new seal. And the Maxum II comes with the number 3. So, and this is what I use when I'm spraying tubs. So, very excited for this. I'm actually going to put this to use tomorrow, which will be in another video. We've got 2 tubs and a shower pan that we're going to be spraying. So, I'll show you that. Comes with a little brush kit. But you guys, check this bad boy out. Always use a new hose, you guys. Check that out. Okay, perfect. So first, you guys, Maxum II. Comes with the Maxum II. As I said, the number 3 needle set. You got your 3-position air cap, which gives you the horizontal, the vertical, and the round patterns, which is perfect. We've also got the material flow. We've got the airflow, the air control, which I do have a video on this gun on reglazing of a bathtub and the settings that I have on the airflow for when I spray. Also has the cup that comes with it, easy lock, boom, in and out. I do have another video where I show cleaning out the check valve, cleaning out the needle, cleaning out the cup, and changing the seal. So if you guys want to see that, you can check it out on the channel as well. So Maxum II, my favorite gun. Also, we've got dual air filters. This weighs about 9 pounds, you guys. That's nothing. 9 pounds, 25-foot hose, cup holder, boom, also cup lock. You can actually put your cup in here and it actually holds it. A lot of times I've had it before where my gun has fallen off. And so this is actually nice to know that's gonna hold it secure. So awesome, guys. I cannot wait to use it. Thank you so much, Titan CAPSPRAY, for this. And we're gonna try it out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. So you guys, I'll put all the information here for you guys to check one out. Get one for yourself. I'll put it in the description box down below. Also make sure to follow them on Instagram. I'll put all that information in the description box below as well. So now just dried this all off, just cleaned it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start taping and masking it off. So get it all papered and ready for primer.
As you can see, I've got it held in spot in the gun holder. I generally will do my first coat at about 11 o'clock for my first coat for maximum air pressure. I'm going to say 12 o'clock is maximum, but I'll go about 11, and then I'll keep my standard paint, my paint amount the same throughout. So what I'm going to do next on the second coat is I'm going to go ahead and adjust the dial to about 9 o'clock. So I'm going to go about 9 o'clock, then I'm going to slow it down a little bit and give it a little bit of a thicker coat.